Okay guys, so let's take a very quick trade using the dollar printer bot. Okay, this is the free version, by the way. So we'll let it to load up, and then I'm just going to change the stake amounts. I'll change the stake amounts to 3. Okay, and then we'll let it ride. I'm just going to fast forward it now, and then let's go. Yeah, one thing that you need to pay attention to, especially those who are using the free bot, is that you're not going to leave the bot to just run like that. Okay, you have to set a target profit for it. Okay, once it hits that target profit, it resets. You reset it, and then you run it again. You get? So here the target profit is $10. Anything from $10 above, that is when the bot stops, and then I reset it, and then I'll run again. You get? So we're just going to keep on doing this over and over again. So let me target $100 on this session, okay, using the dollar printer bot. Okay, so as you can see right now, we are currently at $993. So just few more runs to hit our target. So just a quick summary: if you're making use of the free bot, make sure you're not setting a very high take profit and then you're waiting for the bot to reach it. No, okay, you can see the way I showed you guys here. All right, you said the take profit. Okay, take profit is $10. Once it hits $10, we reset and then we run again. Okay, it's that simple. Even if you're targeting $10 every single day, that is literally $300 free every month. If you're targeting $20 every day, that is literally $600 free every single month. Okay, so just don't be greedy. Okay, just do it over and over again. Now if you want to make higher profits and make higher returns, okay, most of the results that I post up are from the premium bot users, so you can just simply switch to the premium bot, okay, for the good account, and then you trade. All right, if you're using the free bot, this is what you should be doing. All right.